We always talk about halal and haram. Shaykh, is this haram? You know, a lot of times when people say, Shaykh, is this haram? I'm like, if I tell you it's haram, are you going to stop doing it? No? Well, don't ask. You're not interested in knowing. It's called fatwa shopping, right? In our day and age, it's how can I always do less? We take baths in the doubtful matters. You know, ash-shubuhat. We will stay in that gray area proudly and just say, hey, I heard a shaykh say it's halal. I don't know who that shaykh was, but he said it's halal. I found him online, and he lives in some island in Trinidad. No, I've never heard that one before. But he lives somewhere else, and he, you know, I've never heard of him. I don't know, what's his name? I think his name is Abdullah ibn something. Okay, you've narrowed it down to about 300,000 other people, shaykhs. Who is he? Where does he study? I don't know, but he said it's halal. Just deal with it. It's halal, it's halal, it's halal. I want to make it easy. And you know what? Yassiru wa la tu'assiru. The Prophet ﷺ said, make things easy, not difficult. Bashiru wa la tunafiru. Give glad tidings, don't make people despair. That doesn't mean you change the deen. That means you deliver the deen in a way that people can digest it at a gradual pace. But you don't lower the standard because you can't meet it. It gives you hope as to how you can reach that standard. That's what the Prophet ﷺ gave us. He didn't want us to be those people that are always like, you know, is it really, are you sure it's haram? Is it makruh? You know, does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only hate it? Is it just sunnah? Can you imagine Abu Bakr or Umar or Uthman coming to the Prophet ﷺ and saying, hey, is that just sunnah? Or is this fard on us? Is this really haram or is it just okay? You know, it's makruh. Can you imagine the Sahaba saying that to the Prophet ﷺ? No. Because they had a different goal. Their goal was not just to get by as Muslims. Their goal was to always be the best that they could be. And so they always wanted to do more and more and more and more. And so the Prophet ﷺ didn't have to tell them that, you know, hey, that's haram and I told you, why are you still doing that? The Prophet ﷺ had to tell them, calm down. You're going too fast. You're going to burn out.